Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken curry sauce by Zeelicious, only way. Start by gathering 5 pounds chicken, 2 onions, garlic, ginger, spices, and 1 cup yogurt or coconut milk. Chop and blend aromatics into a smooth paste, then sauté until golden for deeper flavor. Toast whole spices briefly, add ground spices, and let them bloom in oil. Finish by simmering. Focus on spice handling and basic technique to get Zeelicious flavor every time. Toast whole spices briefly, then grind or add them to oil to bloom their oils. Use a thick onion and tomato base to give your sauce body and richness. Stir in yogurt slowly to prevent curdling, or use coconut milk for a silky finish. Taste and adjust salt and heat before serving with rice or naan. Small adjustments make a huge difference in texture and balance when cooking chicken curry sauce. If sauce is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce, or stir in a cornstarch slurry for quick thickening. If too thick, loosen with a splash of stock or water and reheat gently. Brighten finished curry with lemon or a touch of vinegar, and always taste before serving to correct seasoning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.